In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to design unique Squarespace websites. Making your own personalized website can seem overwhelming, but we'll go through the process methodically to make it a more manageable task. First, you need to define your goals. What is your purpose in building this website? Is it to create a dazzling portfolio, to establish a cutting-edge e-commerce store, or to start a blog and share your ideas with the world? Having your end goals in mind will guide you through the rest of the design process. Next, it's essential to establish your brand's identity. Reflect on the tone, color palette, and overall visual identity that you want for your brand. Then brainstorm and sketch out the necessary pages for your site. How are these pages going to connect and flow to create a seamless and intuitive navigation for the users? Now let's get to building. And don't worry, with Squarespace, you've got options. You can either use a pre-existing professional template that aligns best with the primary function of your site, or you can use the AI Builder, which is an incredibly handy tool. Just answer a few questions, and Squarespace's AI can generate a personalized website complete with design, copy, and image suggestions. With the foundation laid out, it's now time to fully customize your website. Navigate to Site Styles, where you can change the global fonts, colors, and button styles across your entire site. From there, you can start adding unique and high-quality visuals that align with your brand, such as images and videos. Make sure to also craft compelling copy or call to actions that not only stand out visually, but align with the purpose of your site. To further make the design feel like yours, consider incorporating elements unique to your brand, like patterns or icons, and use custom fonts wherever possible. You can also add a unique touch to your site by implementing design techniques like overlapping elements or adding subtle animations to guide the user's eye and add visual interest. For those who are more tech-savvy or are feeling brave, consider using custom CSS code or third-party plugins. This will allow you to add unique features not found in the default editor for that distinct touch on your website. The final steps before publishing are critical. You must ensure your website functions optimally across different devices, including desktops and mobiles. Make sure to also optimize each page for SEO with unique titles, meta descriptions, and alt text for images to improve your site's search visibility. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for: publishing your site. Connect a custom domain, confirm everything looks and works as it should, one last time, then hit publish to share your newly created unique Squarespace site with the internet. Creating your own website isn't a walk in the park, but with this detailed process, you're on track to create a web page you're proud to share with the world.